So in the previous video we detect the height of the obstacles. Now in this video we will be performing parkour actions. Okay, so I have created this small box out of this one, so you can actually select this one and duplicate it and then change the scale XYZ to these values 0 0.8, 0 0.5 and 0 0.8, because we will be performing a different parkour action on this one and then on this big crate as well. Okay, so as you know that for performing parkours we will be needing animations. So first of all, on the miximo.com website, make sure that you uploaded your character. I have shown you guys in the previous videos how to upload character to miximo.com. After that, search for jumping, and then in the fourth line right here you will see this jumping animation. Just simply click on it and your character will start playing this animation. Okay, so what we will do, we will decrease the step height of this animation since our crate height is smaller. So I think the step height 30 is good value for this animation. So now just simply click on download, change this to FBX for Unity and the skin to without skin. Okay, click on download, and once it is downloaded, open up Unity, and inside the animations folder we will be adding this animation. So just simply drag and drop this inside the animations folder like that. Then click on jumping. This is the animation. Okay, change the rig to humanoid, avatar definition to copy from other avatar, and in here select the main mesh avatar, click apply, then click on animation. Let's drag and drop the player. As you can see, this is the animation right here. So now what we will do, we will change the rotation based upon to original, and right here the position X and Z, change this to original as well. Click apply, and that is it. So this will be animation for this box. Now let's download a different animation for this box, since the height of this box is a little bit higher than this one. On miximo.com, now let's search for running jump, and select this animation which is by the name of running jump. So click on it. Okay, let's see the animation right here. Okay, so this is the animation. Now what we want to do is we want to trim this animation. Okay, so from the start we will make the value 22. Okay, and then from the end we will make the value as 70. So now if we play the animation, okay, as you can see our animation will start from this position. So when the player keep hand on the big crate, okay, then this animation will be played like this, and when the player stands up, then after this we will be playing the basic locomotions again. Okay, so make sure that you trim the animation like this, and when you trim it, just simply click on download. The settings will be the same. Click on download. Now let's drag and drop it inside our Unity. So drag and drop it right here. Okay, so this is the running job. Let's click on the rig, change it to humanoid, then copy from other avatar, select the main mesh, click apply, then click on animation, and let's drag and drop the player. So if you notice right here, this is the animation. Okay, scroll down right here. What we will do now is on the rotation we will say bake into pose, change the based upon to original, and right here change based upon to feet, and click on bake into pose, and that's it. Click apply, and now if you see it, as you can see, here is the animation. Now as you can see, the player is not rotating. Okay, now if we click on animator, let's first of all add the jumping animation and then our running jump. Okay, Let's change the name of this jumping to jump up, and then this one to high jump up. That's it. Let's make a transition from jump up to basic locomotion, and then from high jump up to basic locomotion as well. Now with our two animations set up, in the next video we will continue creating our parkour actions.